dis girl dey always kneel down before people when greeting them. This one don dey too much. I been an eye service. This one be Nigerians don dey drag this 10 actor Adakirikiri. Hey my people, is your girl Cindy? I don carry another obedience come drop for una. When my drop people make una carry seat sit down. I get better gist for una. So this Adakirikiri na popular Nigerian 10 actor where they do well for herself, where home training won't finish. So many people don dey drag am say which kind greeting be this always where you go dey kneel down before people dey greet them. Make we watch all the videos where she dey greet all her fellow colleagues. Let's go.
Oh, my baby. Oh, it's like she's on a check these things. Get up, sit down. Get up, sit down. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. It's so nice to meet you. It's my pleasure. It's a pleasure, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you. You want to stay inside?
My Adakirikiri. No.
Oh, I love you.
Welcome.
I miss you.
Oh,
Oh, my love. No. Give me a big hug. Come on, give me a hug. How are you? Baby. Hi. You're so amazing. So amazing. I'm a fan. A big fan.
Yeah, oh my God.
Thank you so much, man. I just see you. You're so beautiful. So we're ready to walk, yeah? Yes,
everything I do, parents wish for me. Yes, continue to bless you. Bless you. Not that you are a blessing to your family, you will also be a blessing to this generation and the generation to come. Let's speak and go.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anyone meet us, anyone meet us.
I'll
Good to see you. What's the mama? How many times? You're doing well.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh,
I thought you come last night, Steph. Come on, sit down.
Thank you, Mom.
My people waiting una think, do you think she dey do am for eye service and cloud chasing, or na how they train am be this? Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.